I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Toyota Tundra headlight, updated. Begin by parking safely, engaging the parking brake, and opening the hood for clear access. Identify the headlight assembly and locate the bulb socket behind the housing. Put on gloves to keep oils off the bulb and use a clean cloth to handle parts. Keep replacement bulbs and tools nearby to work efficiently and avoid unnecessary delays. In this video, I will show how to change Toyota Tundra headlight, updated. Access the bulb by removing the dust cover and clearing any debris around the housing. Carefully unplug the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling straight back to avoid damage. Release the retaining clip or twist the bulb counterclockwise, then gently remove the old bulb without touching the glass. Compare the new bulb to the old one for correct type and orientation. In this video, I will show how to change Toyota Tundra headlight, updated. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and voice control to your workspace and pairs perfectly with a quick hands-free timer or checklist while you work. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like it, and check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to change Toyota Tundra headlight, updated. Put on gloves and handle the new bulb by the base to avoid fingerprints on the glass. Align the bulb correctly, seat it fully, and secure the retaining clip or twist it clockwise until snug. Reconnect the electrical connector, turn on the headlights to verify operation, and adjust aim if needed before replacing the dust cover and closing the hood.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.